Over the past few years, investors have become more and more interested in Bitcoin. During the same time, there has been a lot of talk about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Those who support them say they are the future of money and investing, while those who don't say they are a risky way to invest that might not pay off. How to invest in Bitcoin? Are you ready to get started with cryptocurrencies? You're in luck, because it's easier than you might think to buy Bitcoin. Here are 5 easy steps for investing in Bitcoin. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. Sign up for a Bitcoin exchange. First, you have to figure out where you want to buy Bitcoin. Most people who want to buy Bitcoin do so through exchanges. Because Bitcoin is an open-source technology, there is no official Bitcoin company. However, there are several exchanges that make Bitcoin transactions possible. Like a stock brokerage, these exchanges help people buy and sell cryptocurrencies. If you decide to buy from an exchange, you'll have to choose which exchange you want to buy from. Some of the most popular choices are 1. Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, well known for its user-friendly interface and robust security features. It stands out in the industry by offering insurance coverage that protects users against losses resulting from security breaches or fraudulent activities. This assurance provides peace of mind for investors, as it indicates a commitment to safeguarding customer funds. Additionally, Coinbase has a wide range of cryptocurrencies available for trading, making it an accessible platform for both beginners and experienced investors alike. 2. Binance. Binance, launched in 2017, has rapidly grown to become one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It is particularly noted for its extensive selection of altcoins, offering a diverse array of trading pairs that appeal to investors looking to explore beyond Bitcoin. Binance's robust trading features, including futures and margin trading, cater to both novice and advanced traders. The exchange also frequently introduces new tokens, keeping its offerings fresh and relevant to market trends. 3. Kraken. Kraken is a San Francisco-based cryptocurrency exchange that has gained a reputation for its reliability and security. It allows users to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, using a variety of fiat currencies from around the globe, including USD, EUR, and GBP. Kraken's international approach makes it a favorable option for users in different regions, and its advanced trading features, such as futures trading and margin trading, attract serious investors. Additionally, Kraken is known for its strong compliance with regulatory standards, enhancing its credibility in the market. 4. Gemini. Founded by the Winklevoss twins in 2015, Gemini has established itself as a reputable cryptocurrency exchange, with a strong emphasis on security and compliance. The platform offers different user interfaces designed to cater to both new and experienced Bitcoin investors, ensuring a seamless trading experience for users at all levels. Gemini's fee structures are also tailored to meet the varying needs of its customers, allowing beginners to get started with lower fees while providing advanced features for seasoned traders. The exchange's commitment to regulatory adherence further solidifies its standing in the industry. 5. Bitfinex. Bitfinex is recognized as one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges, having been operational for several years. It is particularly favored by experienced traders and lenders due to its advanced trading options, such as margin trading and lending services, which enable users to leverage their investments. However, Bitfinex currently restricts access to U.S. customers, which can limit its user base. Despite this drawback, its sophisticated platform and wide range of cryptocurrency pairs make it an attractive choice for those deeply engaged in the trading landscape. Number 2. Get a Bitcoin wallet. When you buy a coin, it goes into your wallet. This is where all of your cryptocurrency is kept. There are 2 different kinds of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. A hot wallet is a wallet that is run by your cryptocurrency exchange or by a provider. Some exchanges will give you a hot wallet as soon as you sign up for an account. In any case, hot wallets are useful because you can get to your coins through the internet or a piece of software. Here are some well-known hot wallets. 1. Electrum. Electrum is a piece of software that lets you keep your coins on your computer. 2. Mycelium. Mycelium is a mobile app that only works on Android and iPhone devices. But hot wallets are not the safest way to store your coins. If the company that runs the hot wallet gets hacked, your coin information could be at risk. The safest way to store your coins is in a cold wallet. A cold wallet is a real piece of hardware that stores your coins. It is usually a portable device that looks like a flash drive. The price of most cold wallets ranges from $60 to $100. Trezor and Ledger Nano are two of the most well-known cold wallets. If you only want to buy small amounts of coin, you might be fine using a hot wallet with an insured crypto exchange. But if you're going to trade a lot of coins, it would be a good idea to buy a cold wallet. Number 3. Connect your wallet to a bank account. After you get your wallet, you'll have to connect it to your bank account. This makes it possible for you to buy coins and sell coins. You could also connect your bank account to your cryptocurrency exchange account. Number 4. Place your Bitcoin order. You are now ready to buy Bitcoin. Everything you need to buy will be at your cryptocurrency exchange. The important question is how much Bitcoin you should buy. Some coins cost thousands of dollars, but most exchanges let you buy fractions of a single coin. So your first investment could be as low as $25. Investing in Bitcoin is very risky, so before you buy any Bitcoin, you should think carefully about how much risk you are willing to take and review your investment strategy. Number 5. Manage your Bitcoin investments. After you've bought Bitcoin, you can do the following. Number 1. Use your coins to buy things online. Number 2. Keep your coins for a long time to see if their value goes up. Day trade with your coins, which means buying and selling coins with other Bitcoin owners. This can be done on a cryptocurrency exchange. You'll get everything you need from your cryptocurrency exchange to buy and sell coins. Is Bitcoin a good investment? This is one of the most common questions about Bitcoin. Well, the real answer is that there is no such thing as a good or bad investment. It all depends on how you feel about taking risks, how you invest, and what your financial goals are. Before you decide to invest in Bitcoin, you should think carefully about your own goals and what you want to get out of your investments. Do you want to make money without doing anything? Become a full-time investor? Save for retirement? If you answer these questions, you'll be able to figure out if Bitcoin is a good investment for you. Bitcoin is a volatile asset, which makes it a very risky investment. This means that the value of Bitcoin can change a lot in a very short amount of time, even in just a few hours or days. If you want to make a lot of money with Bitcoin, you may need to time the market, which is a difficult and usually bad way to invest. Still, there is a chance of making money. So that's it for today. Was this video helpful? Share your views in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.